So tomorrow we plan on flying to Seattle for the Rolling Stones concert. We'll be leaving at about 10 a.m., flying direct from Medford to Seattle. We'll be flying in a Cessna Citation Mustang. Planned route is direct, 38,000 feet. We do have a 40 knot plus headwind to deal with. That will take us about an hour and 10 minutes to fly the 310 nautical miles. We'll be landing at Boeing Field, which lies right below the Class Bravo airspace. It's kind of sandwiched in between SeaTac and Renton Field. It has two runways. The major runway is 10,000 feet long by 200. We'll be checking into Modern Aviation and from there grab an Uber to downtown Seattle. We're staying at the Kimpton Vintage Hotel, which is about a 20-25 minute walk to Lumen Field for the concert. Once we arrive, we'll most likely head out to Chinatown to get some dim sum, and then later we'll check in to the Capitol Grill for some steaks. And from there directly we'll head to Lumen Field. Very excited about this concert. Mick Jagger is 81 next month, so this is quite a remarkable feat. Everybody on board, there's 6 of us going, just are super excited to see this concert.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Rolling Stones! Start me up! Start me up, I never stop. Never stop. Start me up. Start me up, I never stop. Light it up. Blow my top. Blow my top. Start me up. I never stop. Never stop. Never, never, never stop. Let it go, let it ride. Let it go, let it ride. Right now we're going to do the song that you voted for. I'm glad that so many people got involved in this. It's great. There's an even more important vote in November, so don't forget involved in that too. Anyway, here are the 4 choices that we put up. And the winner is Wild Horses. Oh yes indeed. Are you doing all right up there, Seattle? Yeah, one more. Come on, and you can. Fresh air, eat some oyster salmon, you know. Anybody here from Vancouver? It's good to come here because we're going there as well. Anyone here from Poland? Tacoma? You're all very welcome. You know, I remember our first ever concert in Seattle was in the South Coliseum, which is still here. It's now called the Climate Pledge Arena, right? And our whole set, the whole set was 25 minutes long. So we've already done it twice. So we better be going, right? Well, it was only $4, so. The highlight of the show, I read this, the highlight of the show was when a girl punched a policeman in his face and broke his glasses. Anyway, I know that's not going to happen tonight because everyone's much too polite now. Anyway, I'd like to introduce the band to you. First up, Mr. Bernard Fowler. Where's your big? Oh, that's true. And introducing Miss Chanel Haynes. On the saxophone, Tim Reese. On the tenor, Carl Denson. On the keyboards and the French horn, Matt Clifford. On the drums, Steve Jordan. On the bass, Daryl Jones. On the keyboards, Chuck LaFell. And now, he's been let out of the zoo like the zebras. On the guitar, Ronnie Wood. Lovely, manly, soaking up the love. And now on the guitar and the vocals, Keith Richards!